Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. Let's quickly have a look at Bitcoin and crypto in general. Sorry, I just woke up, but I want to update you on the latest here. As you can see, here is BTC USD, and currently we're looking at crypto market cap project old cookies. Here we're having Bitcoin stock at around 58,000 US dollars, going in a sideways movement with a slight hint of a bearish move. When we look here at the chart, you will find that that's the yearly chart, meaning that we're going all the way 1 year before, and we're currently having a very interesting unfolding for Bitcoin. You will find that the price of Bitcoin was kind of stable last year around October, and then we started a little bit of a pumpy pump over here. We're going all the way to a new all-time high at around 73k. That was back in March, and then we had the halving around April over here, and then we're going in a sideways movement with a little bit of a slight hint of just a bearish move. What does it mean? Well, it means that this cycle is quite unique and unusual. Usually after the halving you'll find the all-time high, but this time before the halving we had the all-time high. Does it mean that we're not going to see all-time high anytime soon? Absolutely not. Actually, if you look carefully, you will find that over the last 5 years or so we're having a very interesting form of ups and downs for BTC. So I do expect that we can have a little bit of a leg down and then pumping all the way exceeding 70k and exceeding the previous all-time high of 73, and then going all the way to a completely new territory. Does it mean that we need to wait for a long time? Well, nobody knows. What I do know is currently, when we look here at the fear and greed index, you will find that the fear and greed index is currently showing neutral 43. Does it mean that people are giving up on crypto? Absolutely not. It does mean that people are just being a bit rational and logical about Bitcoin right now, or crypto in general right now. Meaning that many people are just choosing to stay on the sidelines and evaluating what's going on in the market, and then taking some action based on some facts and metrics on the market. And you also should do so. Currently, the market is not really in a hype state whatsoever. People are just waiting because Bitcoin is at a critical moment now at nearly 60k. We're currently not talking really 60k, we're talking about 58. So we're not closing above the 60k. If we close above 60k, that's a very bullish move. If we're still below 60k, that's kind of a bearish movement over here. But do believe that Bitcoin can potentially go over 60k, over 73, and then to an unknown territory of a potentially new all-time high. When is it going to happen? Nobody knows. I do believe that we can see this year, 2024, maybe around December or so, we can see finally the 100k mark for BTC. Of course, I'm talking US dollars here. I'm not talking euros. I'm not talking Great British pounds. I'm talking USD for BTC. So what's going to happen in December? I do believe that many institutional entities will just enter Bitcoin, creating some form of over excitement in the market. And currently, when you look at the crypto market cap for BTC, you will find it over 1.15 trillion dollars of market cap. That's a massive, gigantic number for Bitcoin. I do believe that the market is currently experiencing some unknowns, which is a good thing. My humble advice for you, of course, I'm not a financial advisor, you should always do your own due diligence, manage your own risks. If you're trading with leverage, then be careful. If you're not trading with leverage and just investing for the long run, you're totally fine. You're completely fine. But if you're trading short term on leverage, be very careful. The market can bite at any time. The market can go up and down at any time. And if you're not really knowing what you're doing, and I assume most people don't really know what's going on in the market, don't really believe in anyone saying that Bitcoin will pump in the next 24 hours. No. Chart analysis usually don't necessarily work as good as it is for stocks in comparison to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is somewhat unpredictable in a way, but still technical analysis, believe it or not, it can work sometimes. But this specific market condition is not really ideal for any kind of technical analysis. Bitcoin can usually go against the flow, and it can go against all expectations. So if you're trading with leverage, be careful and put some risk management strategy in place. And I do know that I need to take a shower and just get ready for some meetings, so I will leave it for that. And of course, as usual, updating you whenever something else happens in the market. Thank you all for your attention, and see you next time. Bye bye.